Welcome to another Simply Diagnostics video down here in bright and sunny Cheshire. As you can see, it's a shorts day. Not. Yeah, we're down at the simplydiag.net community hub, and we're putting the training that I've had from the DPF Doctor. Darren Darling, my little fat mate. How are you, Dazzy? You alright? We're putting the training that we've had from him to good use today. We've got a 2016 Ford Transit in with a DPF problem. It's coming up with exhaust particulate filter blocked, drive to clean message on the dash. We've actually identified that the DPF is restricted. We've done the assessment. We've done our industry leading assessment on it. The DPF filter is blocked. The cause of that was overdue oil change in the engine. So we've done the assessment. We're going to use the brilliant products from DC Lubricants, one of our awesome community partners. Two-stage rinse and soak, and we're going to get the DPF cleaned on the vehicle, do all the resets, do the factory resets on it, and we'll be good to go for another 12 months. So thanks for watching. You're awesome.